Good morning, student. This is Pooja Mahajan ma'am from Pratap World School. Today we are going to start with a new chapter, that is light. The following question you may observe in your daily life. What make things visible? During the day, the sunlight helps us to see objects. The object reflect light that fall on it. This reflected light, when received by our eyes, enable us to see. We are able to see through a transparent medium as light is transmitted through it. There are a number of common wonderful phenomena associated with light, such as image formation by mirrors, twinkling of stars, the beauty color of rainbow, bending of light by a medium. By observing the common optical phenomena around us, we may conclude that light travels in a straight line. Remember this, light travels in a straight line. Straight line path of light usually indicated by ray of light. So, we'll start with the chapter, light. Light is a form of energy which help us to see objects. When light falls on object, it reflects the light. And when the reflected light reaches our eyes, then we see the object. Light travels in a straight line. The common phenomena of light are formation of shadow, formation of images by mirrors and lenses, bending of light, twinkling of stars, formation of rainbow, etc. Here are some diagrams represented how we see the object. Light from a torch fall on an object and we perceive the image of the object. Light from the bulb falls on a cell and our eyes perceives the formation of a cell. Next important question, what is diffraction? If an big object on a path of light become very small, light has tendency to bend around it and not walk in a straight line, an effort known as diffraction of light. In simple ways, we can say diffraction is bending of light around the corners. Then, the straight line treatment of optics using ray fields. To explain phenomena such as diffraction, light is considered as a wave. In the beginning of 20th century, the wave theory of light was modified as further it was considered a stream of particles. The exact nature of light was explained by the modern quantum theory of light, which says that light is not a wave nor a particle. So, we can say that light has a dual properties. Light behaves as a wave, light behaves as a particle. When it behaves as a wave, it shows the phenomena of reflection and refractions. When it shows a particle nature, it shows the phenomena of shadow. Now, next very important topic. This topic is in 10th class also and plus 2 also. The reflection of light. When light falls on a highly polished surface like a mirror, most of the light is sent back into the same medium. This process is called reflection of light. So, laws of reflection of light, you must have read it earlier also. First law, the angle of incident is always equal to angle of reflection. See from the diagram, I had made a plane mirror where a ray is falling on the mirror. It makes a normal and it get reflected back. See from here, the point of intersection of incident ray, normal and angle of reflection lies on one plane only. So, the second law is the incident ray, the reflected ray and the normal to the mirror at the point of incidence all lies in same plane. See here some of the figures showing you the different patterns of the light. Here angle of reflection and angle of refraction. Here angle of refraction, formation of rainbow, formation of rainbow. Now I had talked about mirrors. There are two types of mirrors, plane mirror, spherical mirror. Firstly, we'll deal with the plane mirror. Plane mirror and the images formed by the plane mirror. The image is erect, the image is of same size, images of at same distance from the mirror, image is virtual, image is literally inverted. The meaning of literally inverted is left seems to be right and right seems to be left. On the basis of literally inverted, we had a question. The word ambulance is written backward right. This is because when we see it from the other mirror, it seems to be the direct formation of rainbow. Here are the ray diagrams of plane mirror. Candle is lighting, light is falling and perceived by the light. Person is standing in front of the mirror, the rays are falling on the mirror and the shadow is being formed. See here this diagram represents what is literally inverted. Your left seems to be right and your right seems to be your left. Very, very important topic. This topic you have read it earlier also. What is real images? What are virtual images? Real images are those images when light ray actually meet to form an image. When light images do not actually meet but they pretend to meet are called virtual images. These images are inverted, virtual images are erect. These images are obtained on the screen, cannot be obtained on the screen. The image is in the front of the mirror and behind the lens. In the virtual image, the image is behind the mirror and front of the lens. We cannot reach to it. Cinema screen is represented an example of real image. Our image in a plane mirror is represented by the virtual images. After the plane mirror, the other mirror is spherical mirror. Spherical mirror is a curved mirror which is a part of a hollow sphere. Spherical mirrors are of two types, concave and convex. Concave, where the word is cave, that is converging. Vex means the edge. So, concave mirror is a spherical mirror whose reflecting surface is curved inside. Rays of light parallel to the principal axis after reflection from the concave mirror meet at a point. Means it converges the light. It focuses the light at one point. Convex mirror, diverging mirror. It is a spherical mirror whose reflecting surface is curved outside. Rays of light parallel to the principal axis after reflection from the convex mirror get diverged and appears to come from the behind the mirror. See here the diagrams of converging mirror, here the diagrams of diverging mirror. Till then we'll be doing today. After that we'll be continuing by using the terms used in the spherical mirror. Thank you.